Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Mora here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 12th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw some more selling today across the board for equities. The Dow finished lower by 60 points. Now, if we look at this wedge that we were talking about the other day here, have a look at this. Now, we are right there. We are absolutely right on the verge of a breakout. If we zoom in here, you will see that we closed slightly below there today. So this is definitely something to keep an eye on. If we look at the S&P 500, it was down 9 points today. Also, same sort of thing. There's that wedge. Now, we didn't close below it, but we are right there on the verge. It just keeps getting more and more interesting if we look at these charts. The NASDAQ, which doesn't look as bad, but did for the first time in a long time, close below that moving average and finished the day lower by 30 points. But here's the one we've been keeping a close eye on that does not look good at all, and that is the Russell. So the Russell 2000, after this bullish engulfing pattern yesterday, that gave us a little encouragement, and we were waiting and hoping to see a trade above yesterday's high. Well, it completely reversed today and turned around, had a very negative day, down 17 points today. Bonds moved higher by almost 3/4 of a point. Gold was higher by about 4 points at the close. Futures are trading a little higher right now, and crude gave up about 30 cents at the close, and again is a little worse off right now. Now, also today, Trump was talking, and he mentioned, he just made a brief comment about the dollar, maybe being too strong right now. And of course, that affected the dollar and drove it lower. So this, excuse me, obviously rolling over, but in for a very key test right now. I think if it gets below that moving average here, it'll at a minimum test these lows just under 99 here, and then potentially even lower. Although 99 is a very decent level of support, but who knows? We may get a bounce from here. This has been a nice orderly retracement here, but we do have negative momentum here, and Trump's comments definitely having an impact today. So an interesting day, not huge numbers, but there was more selling, and the key going into tomorrow, which, by the way, closes off this short week. Remember, Friday markets are closed. So tomorrow's session will be very key if we get follow through to the downside. And the Russell is going to be in focus here. This is the one that we really need to keep an eye on here. See if there's follow through selling tomorrow, and then take a much closer look at it over the weekend. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.